Hello! I wanted to share real quick my favorite fall palette for right now. Obviously, this one has seen much love. It is one of my all-time favorite products. It's called Georgia and it is an illuminator. But let me show you real quick how I use these products and I will tell you what their colors are as I use them. So I'm going to start with this color Stay Golden, and the eyeshadow everything brush, I'm just giving it a little bit of wiggle, and I'm using this color all over my entire lid, all the way up to my brow. I love this Stay Golden color. It is a perfect all over color for your base. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Basic, the same brush. I'm going to use the smaller end of it though. Again, just a little wiggle. I'm not digging in this product. These shadows are highly pigmented and you don't need a whole lot. So with this color, I'm going in my crease and with my eye open, going up on top of my brow bone because I have a hooded eye. If you have a hooded eye, I have a very simple tutorial to watch on the why I'm placing this color here. So just going in that crease and up here on the brow bone. And then with the color Cocoa, this darker color here, same end of the brush, I'm just going to give it a wiggle. And next I'm going to go in with the color Cocoa, the small end of this brush, putting that right here on this outside corner and gradually working it up just a smidge on the outside of that brow bone, and then working it on this lower lash line just on the outside. And I'm flipping this brush around. I have nothing on here. I'm just gonna go where those colors meet and blend them out. Just so it's a smooth transition from color to color. And then to give it that extra fall bump is Leo. I really like this color and I never would have thought I would use an orange eyeshadow. But I'm just gonna take this and dust it right here on my brow bone. And look how that just warms it up and gives it that really nice, warm, cozy feeling. I could have totally left this eyeshadow look without this color, but I think adding this step of warmth on here just really gives it a very nice fall look. Then I'm going to go in with the color Scarlet. It looks super intimidating. Looks very red, but let me tell you, it is a beautiful color. I'm switched to the Best Blend Forever brush. Just got a little bit on my brush. Look how pigmented that is. But just lightly dusting that on the apples of your cheek just is a very pretty fall color. But look how pretty that color is. Just a really nice fall color. Next, with the same brush, the smaller end, I'm going to go in with Georgia and just lightly dust that right at the top of my cheekbones. The tip of my nose. And then I'm going to take my finger, tap it right on the inside of this eye area. So like right in that tear duct area. And then a little bit right underneath the arch of my brow. I'm going to dust off the brush on the back of my arm and then softly blend those areas out. And last, I'm going to go in with my lip and cheek color that I put on my cheeks and just slightly tap that on my lips. All-time favorite fall look. Maybe I shouldn't say all-time because I like a lot of fall colors, but right now this is what I'm jamming and I love it, so I thought I would share it with you. Let me know if you have any questions or if you need to be color matched. Please reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you with color suggestions.